Hello everybody, I just got this really cool battery for my Ryobi tools and also for my inverter. It's 6 amp hour, it's lithium. It's made very well, it is charged up, so that's good. One of the things that I noticed about these batteries, there's a little release right here at the back, and then you're able to remove the battery kind of as you go here. Not so good video there. But here's the battery itself. It's well made. I've got several of these. I use them for my inverter that I got from Ryobi, and they're really handy to have, especially when you're running electric blankets and so on. If you're out camping or just hanging out. I use them also for charging up my RC car batteries and drone batteries and so on. This is very, very nice, and I'm very happy to have this battery. If you're looking for something real convenient and easy to use, these batteries are really made well. And, you know, you can get chargers and so on Amazon. Everybody have a great day. Bye-bye.